support from the academy, Dr. Christine Soberano, Director of R&D for State University of Northern Negros. A big round of applause.
To the SD Secretary, Dr. Renato Yusuliton Jr., to all the undersecretaries and UHD officials who are here, SMU fellows, everyone, good afternoon. As the newly converted State University of Northern Negros, we express our unwavering commitment and full support for all research and development initiatives, as well as science and technology interventions spearheaded by the Department of Science and Technology and the SME Fellows Program. Even in the early stages, we recognize the immense potential of research to drive growth and innovation. This is especially important in the fields like biodiversity and aquaculture, which are vital for communities like Suyak Island in Sky City, Negros Occidental, where we currently work with a project led by SME Fellow Dr. Francis Galeta. Through research, we can protect natural ecosystems and enhance sustainable livelihood opportunities, ensuring the well-being of both the environment and the people who depend on it. On behalf of the State University of Northern Negros and all academic institutions, I say, together, we are dedicated to fostering a culture of scientific inquiry and innovation, working hand in hand with DOST and SME Fellows to support a brighter future for our community and nation. Thank you, and may God bless us all.